Car insurance versus telematics versus pay as you drive versus comprehensive versus gap. Which one is better for smart drivers? Smart driving isn't just about road skills, it's also about choosing the right insurance. Most drivers get this wrong by picking the cheapest option without considering how usage, mileage, and car value affect risk. Understanding telematics, pay as you drive, comprehensive, and gap insurance helps you make informed choices. Telematics insurance, often called black box insurance, tracks your driving behavior, including speed, braking, and mileage. Safe drivers can earn lower premiums over time. It's ideal for cautious drivers who want to save money and demonstrate responsible habits. Pay-as-you-drive insurance charges based on actual miles driven. Low-mileage drivers benefit most, paying only for the distance they cover. For city commuters or occasional drivers, this type of policy can significantly reduce annual premiums. Comprehensive insurance provides broad coverage, including third-party liability, theft, fire, and accidental damage. While more expensive than basic policies, it ensures your car and finances are protected in nearly any scenario. For higher value or newer vehicles, comprehensive insurance is often worth the investment. Gap insurance, or guaranteed asset protection, is essential for financed or leased cars. If your car is written off, gap insurance covers the difference between the payout from your main insurer and the amount still owed on your finance. Without it, you could be left paying for a car you no longer have. So, which is better for smart drivers? It depends on your vehicle, usage, and driving habits. Low-mileage drivers benefit from pay-as-you-drive policies. Cautious drivers can save with telematics, and higher-value or financed cars require comprehensive and gap insurance for full protection. The key takeaway: smart drivers don't just save money, they mitigate risk. By choosing the right combination, you can enjoy peace of mind, protect your finances, and drive with confidence knowing you're covered in every scenario.